Hello guys, this video tutorial aims to explain how you can sign up on Darico platform and to help you get started trading with Darico. So from the Darico website, click on the button sign up. You will be redirected to a page asking for your information, so put your email address. This is just a testing email address. It's not a real email address. It's not monitored, at least. Put a password that has to comply with all the requirements. Put your first name, your last name, agree to the terms of use, and then press continue. Since we have already registered, at the first moment you will receive this email. Please confirm your email by entering PIN, and automatically it will be sent to your inbox, but make sure also to check your spam folder, a 5-digit PIN that you have to insert when requested on the sign up page. Once you insert the PIN, you will receive another email of successful registration. We're happy to have you on board. And once you have logged in, every time you log in, you will receive an email that you have logged in on Darico's platform from this IP with this date and time. So if we go right now to sign in with the email and password that we used to sign up, it should directly put you in your wallet's page. So this is how you can sign up in Darico's platform. Thank you.